This video goes over how to make day of the week bid adjustments in Google Ads. For this tutorial, please go to ads.google.com. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free videos. For this tutorial, please go to the campaign that you would like to make the day of the week bid adjustments for. Go to Ad Schedule underneath Audiences, Keywords, and Content. It will look like this if you do not have a schedule set up. To add a schedule, click Edit Ad Schedule. Click Add. Click Save. It will then look like this. I suggest waiting at least a week so that all of the data populates from here on out. And then you'll know what to make your bid adjustments for based on the data that shows up. When you go to make a bid adjustment, you can do it based on clicks, cost per conversion, whatever metric you'd like. To edit the columns, you would just click columns over here and then search for what you want to add in your columns here. To make the bid adjustment, find the day of the week that you want to make the bid adjustment for. Click this pencil icon. You can then increase or decrease and put the amount here. Click Save, and your bid adjustment will now be what you make it. So for example, I made increase by 20% for Wednesdays, and it will stay like that until I change it. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.